Say good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are off to Haley's ear doctor's appointment. And we're running a little bit late because it's hard to get everybody ready and yourself. So, but we are going to try to make it on time. I'm rushing a little bit, but that is what we are doing this morning, and hopefully we can see if there's something major going on in her ears because she's just been in so much pain, or if it's just, I don't know, something small and the ear drops that he gave us are clearing it up. I'm hoping that's what it is. So we shall see, and we will definitely update you as soon as we know. I know, baby. I think I see some sand in there. Have you been on the beach? Yeah. See, I told you. Thanks, girl. Okay, so we're gonna do two quick things and then we're gonna change rooms, okay? Okay. So we're waiting for Haley while she takes the hearing test. The kids are playing with toys. They said they saw some sand in her ears, so I'm hoping it's not too serious. Hear the beeps, even though the windy noise is playing, and push the button and hear the beeps, okay? Ignore the windy noise. Good. Good job. Alright, you guys. And after you see Dr. Ho, you guys have to go to the treasure box.
Yeah.
You guys know where that is?
Yeah.
Yes. They know where I figured you knew where that was. It was nice to meet you guys. Or are we waiting in another room? You'll go back out to the waiting room. They should call you in just a minute.
Haley, how was it?
Bye.
Haley, how was it?
I got it.
It was good. How good?
Want to leave, right? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go this way. It is stressful being in an elevator with 4 kids. Roman almost pushed the emergency button. That would not have been good. Alright, where's the door? Find it. There you go.
I got this.
Alright, wait, show me what you guys got out of the treasure chest.
Okay. I got youngest.
What did you get? Wow, you got 2 cars. Oh, and so did Brayden. Roman, what did you get? You got a ball. And what did you get?
Mommy, I got a slow fan that does not listen to me. And this stretchy thing. Look,
Cool.
I'll show you how to stop.
Woo! That's so cool.
Mommy, let's see if things work. Baby, please.
What's wrong with my kids today? Why are they so weird?
Is mine, and the one with the yellow on it.
We went from a baby to a dog.
The yellow one is white.
We are at Sonic's. We're gonna order some food. He heard me. I want Nana. All right. What do you guys want?
I want a slushy. I want a slushy and a burger. I want a slushy. Oh, hot dog.
Okay.
And I want a green one. Make it. I want to make it. Oh guys, look. No one's allowed.
So I am getting ready for bed. It was a good day, and then I had a really nice weekend with Kevin and Riley, and we are going to try to see them again soon this week, I think, hopefully. So I'm excited to see the crazy lots of changes, so trying to keep up with everything, but it's not easy. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's vlog though, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for me down below, and I'll see you later. Good morning, everybody. We are at the pool today because it is so freaking hot outside, right, Bubba? You wanna go swimming? Yeah, let's get in the Wawa. Everybody else